Namaste students, I am Madhu Chaudhary and I welcome you all in my 10th class economics. The name of my chapter is Sectors of Indian Economy and this is the first part of this chapter. So let's start. Let's discuss about economic activities. Okay, so firstly let's see what are economic activities. People around us are engaged in different activities to earn their livelihood. Some may be producing goods while other may be delivering services. Clear? Everyone is engaged in different activities. So the activities which can be converted into monetary value or which have some monetary value is known as economic activities. Economic activities are then again classified into some groups using some criteria, and these groups are known as sectors of economy. Okay, now let's see the classification. So, classification of sectors of Indian economy is first on the basis of job, and on the basis of job, three types of sectors are there. First is primary sector, second is secondary sector, and third is tertiary sector. Second classification is on the basis of working conditions. First, organized sector, second is unorganized sector. Now students, it is on the basis of ownership. If we are talking about on the basis of ownership, there are two types of sectors. First, private sector and public sector. Got it? The first classification, that is on the basis of nature of job, that will be dealing in this video in detail, but other two bases are on the other videos. So let's talk about the primary sector. Okay, if we are talking about primary sector, the first question is that what is primary sector? Clear? So we can say that the economic activities which are connected with the extraction and production of natural resources. I am repeating these two most important words, that is extraction and production of natural resources like agriculture, fishing, mining. All these activities falls under primary sector. Okay, like in agriculture, what is going on production? Production of wheat, cereals, all these things, we can say that production of natural resources is there, na? So this is primary sector. Okay, in case of mining, we can say the extraction of natural resources are there. I hope it's clear to you that what is primary sector. Let's see what are secondary sectors. Secondary sectors, the economic activities are related the manufacturing process, like manufacturing of steel falls under secondary sector. And if we are talking about tertiary sector, the economic activities that are mostly based on providing services to the society, like transportation is there, banking, insurance, all these activities falls under tertiary sector. Now students, let's understand all these three sectors with another example I can give you. Okay, I will give you. I think it can more clear to you that what are the sectors. Let's discuss about a biscuit. The raw materials used in biscuits is wheat. When the wheat was produced, that thing was under primary sector. Okay, nextly, when the wheat gathering along with the sugar, milk, all these things were added up, and these things were manufacturing by as a biscuit in a company, this process comes under secondary sector. Clear? Now this biscuit is really ready to serve the consumer. Now transportation would be required. Okay, and this transportation comes under tertiary sector. I hope through this example it's clear to you that what is primary sector, what is secondary, and what is tertiary sector. Thank you students.